Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have had the question asked of me, how do I make money on board games? Well, I'm going to let you know. So making money on board games, how in the world do I do it? Well, partly I find it at the right price. That's the first thing you need to know, is when purchasing board games, you need to find it at the right price. If you look at this one, I only paid $3 for it. Sorry, it'll be backwards because I'm in selfie mode on the camera. But being able to find things at the right price is the best way to make money on board games. Now, you can sell them used online. A lot of Monopoly goes really well, especially if it's a themed Monopoly. And so this is an old school Monopoly, and so this is just a regular generic one, and so I probably won't sell this one in its box. But the one thing I wanted to show you, let me open this up here, is I got this at a garage sale for $3, and it has got pieces in it. And so sometimes you can sell the board for a specific price, but to be honest, a lot of crafters like to use things like they might be missing the get out of jail free cards, the community chest cards, the chance cards. Those all sell separately, and crafters absolutely love the Monopoly pieces. So all of the silver or pewter looking pieces, and then they also like to use the houses and the hotels for specific crafts. Monopoly money sells really, really well. You can actually just sell just the money separate. And so you can list it on Etsy, which is a crafting site, or you can list it on eBay is a good place to sell this. And so these are things that if you piece out a $3 game that I bought at a garage sale, you can actually make quite a bit of money. If I pieced all of this out, I could probably make about $15 or $20 just on the items inside the box alone. And so just be very specific whenever you list things. And then if you want to sell something as a whole piece, for instance, this one, I usually look for very unique type of games. Like this one is called Pirate Cove. I don't know if it's unique or not, but I only paid $1 for it at a garage sale, and so I know I could probably make my money up. What I'm going to do is look through it and make sure all the pieces are there in accordance with everything that's supposed to be on the contents. And so I'll make sure everything is there, and this will be sold used because it's been opened. But a lot of times if you go to a Savers or a Goodwill thrift store or even a Goodwill outlet, you can find brand new, still in the box and still factory sealed type of board games. And so you can sell those online really, really well. The best place to sell them is Amazon, if you can find them brand new. Used games, I think, go the best on eBay. And then, like I said, if you have anything that's craft worthy, Etsy is a great place to sell it. So that's how I make money on board games. So just be out there hunting, look for the unique. I don't know if this is unique or not, but this is what I had in the house, so I wanted to show you an example. And then for very common board games, look for the pieces and see if you can sell just the pieces. So that's how I make money on board games, and I hope this has been helpful. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin Reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.